Thank you. I can't love the under the dress. Ain't you even tired? Ain't that all? Hurry. You chicken. Watch out, you dang fool. You're gonna fall. Now look at what you done. I think I'm stuck. The game breaks. Bridge ain't gonna hold. Bye-bye.
Bugs and patches, we foiled your plot, and now we're using your dynamite to blow up the water tower and put out the fire.
Don't throw that switch! The train's coming that way!
Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have caught those good-for-nothing ball knobbers without you. Give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You deserve it. And it'll also put out any stray sparks. So long.